Yo, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get these exclusive emotes in Clash Royale. Now, all you're going to need to do is, you can see right here, I'm just on the Clash Royale app right here. But what you actually need to do is, you don't need to be on the app, but you want to go into the Safari or Google Play Store. And once you're basically on Google, what you're going to want to do now is you just want to type in ID Supercell like so. Now, when you actually type this in, you can see we can click on search, and then you want to click on the Supercell ID rewards right here. And you can see right here, you can just log in. You do need to log in if you actually do want to earn any of these super exclusive rewards. But you can see right here, if we actually click in the top right hand corner of the screen, these three lines, you can actually log into your account like here. I'm already logged into mine, so it looks good like so. But once you're here, you want to go back to the home page and then click on the Clash Royale option right here. And you can see right here, once you're on this page, you can see all of these different emotes that you can actually get just from being on this site like so. You can't get them actually in the app, you can only get them on this because they're legendary emotes, meaning you can only get them here. But how you actually want to get them, you can see right here, it says you need this many points to actually get them. This one's about 1,200, these are 2,500, and then you can even get this tower skin for 5,000 points. And even these chests and other game rewards down here. But how you can actually unlock them is you can get more points if you actually buy the exclusive offers just on this site. Now what you want to do, you just go to the home site and then you click on the three lines and then click on the store option here, and you can basically buy these Clash Royale or just other game rewards, and this will actually give you these required points. You can see this one gives you 750 points, and basically they add up over time. And you can even get these other free exclusive emotes if you do get some of these offers like so. But basically you can see the more stuff that you actually spend real money on in this, you can actually get these exclusive rewards for completely free at no cost. It's just an extra if you do buy some stuff on the Supercell ID store. But if you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like on this video down below and subscribing to the channel if you're new. Thank you so much for watching, and happy clashing.